Benefits of enrolling in CPD-accredited OSCE.
Mentor Merlin OSCE program is CPD accredited. The CPD OSCE, Continuing Professional Development OSCE, offers several benefits for nurses and midwives, including revalidation support. Helps professionals meet NMC revalidation requirements, ensuring their skills and knowledge remain up to date and aligned with current UK standards. Skill enhancement. Focuses on practical, evidence-based skills, promoting professional growth and competence in clinical practice. Career development. Demonstrates commitment to lifelong learning and professional improvement, which can open doors to new roles, responsibilities, or specializations. Safe practice. Ensures practitioners can deliver safe, effective, and patient-centered care by evaluating their ability to apply theory to real-world practice. Regulatory compliance. Meets NMC standards for those returning to practice or transitioning internationally, ensuring their practice aligns with UK regulations. Make sure to enroll in a CPD-accredited OSCE program to ensure you receive high-quality training that meets the latest standards and guidelines.
More updates are on the way. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest updates on the syllabus and materials on OSCE. Stay tuned for insightful videos.